In this session, I'll be explaining the ABCD parameters or transmission parameters. It is also called chain parameter. Here we are going to express V1 and I1 as a function of V2 and I2. That is, the relation between the voltage and current at the input port to the voltage and current at the output port. Okay, so now we can express this in equation. V1 is equal to A V2 minus B I2. This is the equation 1, and next equation is I1 is equal to C V2 minus B I2. See here, V1 and I1 are expressed in terms of V2 and I2, and these are the coefficients used here. That is why it is called ABCD parameter. So now we can represent this in the matrix form. V1 I1 is equal to A, B, C, D into V2 I2. This is the matrix representation of the transmission parameter, or this is called as the transmission matrix. Now we can see what are the different parameters A, B, C and D. So for that we can consider two cases. Case 1, when output port, we have to make this I2 0 and get A and C. We have to make V2 0 and get B and D. So first of all we can make I2 0. For that we can consider this case. The output port 2 means this output port, and current is 0 means it should be open circuited. So case 1, output port is open circuited. That is, I2 is equal to 0. So when I2 is equal to 0, we will get A is equal to V1 by V2, and B is we will get C. From the second equation we will get C. When I2 is equal to 0, C is equal to I1 divided by V2. These both occur when I2 is equal to 0. And this is called reverse voltage gain. See, it is voltage gain. Voltage gain means output voltage by input voltage. So, but here we have V1 by V2. So, it is reverse voltage gain. Here we have transfer admittance. Okay, these are the two parameters A and C. So now we have to go for B and C. For that, consider the case 2 when we have to make V2 0. When will V2 be 0? When the output port is short circuited. When short circuit comes, voltage is 0. So when output port is short circuited, second case, output port is short circuited, that means V2 is equal to 0. So then it's B is equal to minus V1 by I2. When V2 is equal to 0, B is equal to minus V1 by I2. At V2 is equal to 0. And now D is equal to I1 minus I1 by I2 at V2 is equal to 0. So now we can go for the names. This is the transfer impedance. This was I by V, that it was transfer admittance. Here we have V by I, so this is transfer impedance. Here we have, this is I1 by I2, that is reverse current gain. Now that we have seen each of the parameters in detail, now we can go for reciprocity of the transmission parameter network. So let us consider the first network. Reciprocity means we have to place the ratio when we place the volt source at the input and the response current at the output is equal to when their positions are interchanged. So here in the first case one, we can consider Vs at the input plus minus. Here we have input current I1, here we have output current I2, and I2 dash is flowing in the opposite direction. We have to consider it like that. So let me write the equations. V1 is equal to V1 I1 is equal to V2 I2 V2 I2 A B C and D. Here we have minus, it's not plus, be careful, it is minus over here. So the first, when here V1 is equal to, what is V1 here? Vs. What is V2? V2 is 0, since here it is short circuited. Now I1 is I1 itself, and I2 is equal to minus I2 dash. So we have to, from this we have to find Vs by I2, that is Vs by I2 dash. Okay, that is the ratio between the source and the response. We have to find it from this circuit. So let's do that. Vs by I, we have to find Vs by I2 dash. This is our problem. We have to find it out. So for that, we can put these values in this equation. So V1 is Vs. Vs is equal to A into V2 is 0 minus V into I2. I2 is minus I2 dash. So we will have plus B into I2 dash. Next we have I1 is equal to C into V2 is 0 plus B into I2 dash. So from this equation we have to find Vs by I2 dash. Vs by I2 dash we have get from the first equation. So we can write Vs by I2 dash is equal to B from this equation. Okay, so we have got the first case. Now we have to interchange the position of the source and the response and find Vs by the output in source and the response. So let's see that. This is the circuit. This is the network, two-port network. Here we have the source. This is Vs. Here we have the response. Here is I2. Here is I1. Here we have an opposite direction, I1 dash. Now we can write the basic equation, V1, I1, V2, I2. A, B, C, D. Here we have minus. So we have to evaluate the particular values, that is V1 is equal to 0 over here, V2 is Vs, I1 is equal to minus I1 dash, okay, and I2 is I2 itself. So we can put these values in the equation. So in the first equation, 0 is equal to A into V2 is Vs minus B into I2. Coming to the second equation, I1 is minus I1 dash. Minus I1 dash is equal to C into V2 is Vs minus D into I2. What we need is Vs by I1 dash. We have to find this and compare it with the other cases, Vs by output response. There it was I2 dash. Here we have to find Vs by I1 dash. So we have in the second equation Vs and I1 dash. Okay, so we can use this equation. But here we have an I2. So from this equation we can get I2 in terms of Vs. So from this equation we can get I2 is equal to A into Vs by B. We can put this I2 here. So we can write minus I1 dash is equal to C into Vs minus E into A Vs by B. So Vs into C minus D A by B minus here. So as by I1 dash, we can remove this minus by ADA to this side is equal to AD minus C by dash, that is 1B. Sorry, AD by B minus C. This is reciprocal of this is Vs by I1 dash. So we can write 1 by AD minus BC by B is equal to B by AD minus BC. This is the Vs by I1 dash in case 2. Earlier we had Vs by I1 dash of case 1 as I2 dash as B. So Vs by I2 dash is equal to Vs by I2 dash is equal to Vs by should be equal to Vs by I1 dash for the system for the network to be reciprocal. So here we have B, this is B, and here we have B by AD minus BC. For this to happen, we should say that AD minus BC is equal to 1. If this happens, both cases will be equal. So the condition for reciprocity is AD minus BC is equal to 1. Thank you.